We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x20 Dovetail utility trailer with side baskets. This does have your jack coupler and safety chains with your spare tire holder, as well as the breakaway system. Has your built-in tie-down points, pressure treated wood flooring. Here we have your side baskets. This is a tandem axle. It does come with two Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with 15-inch wheels and tires. Dovetail. This is fully wired with LED drive lights and it has your reinforced rear loading gate. Once again, this is the 7x20 foot Dovetail utility trailer with side baskets. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.